All right, folks, so a quick video today, quick pro tip from a not so pro, but this is an awesome product. Now, the brand is one I hadn't heard of, but this is this technology, if you want to call it that, this process is around with a lot of brands. I wanted to do a quick look at this one. It is AG brand, Adhesive Guru. Again, I'd never heard of it. New one, unfamiliar to me. Maybe you guys have heard of it, but really what this is cyanacrylic glue, which is pretty standard stuff. A lot of companies make this, or CA glue for short, with an activator. So what this does, as I'm going to demonstrate here, is gives you the ability to get a CA glue type bond almost instantaneously. So check this out. So we're going to make a quick jig. This is perfect for quick temporary fixes or jig making or anything that you need a quick solution that you don't necessarily want to wait a bunch of time for glue to dry and set up. So I'm just going to put a few drops, as you can see here. Nothing crazy. You know, typically those of you that have used CA glue in the past, you know, it doesn't take a lot. A little goes a long way. And that's the case here. So I'll just leave that on there. And then where I want to bond this material to, so I've got a little line there. What I'm going to do is take this, give it a good shake per the instructions. I think it's at 10 to 15 times, but that should be fine. And I'm just going to spray some of this activator right along this line where I'm going to put it. A little extra there, so soak in. And then just place my material, hold it for a couple seconds, and that's it. It is bonded. So this is real time, no cuts, no takes. It's on there. So let's do a quick strength test here. So this is, you know, a piece of construction grade lumber, pine, on another piece of plywood, pine plywood, and yeah, shear, it'll come off, so it's easy to remove if you need to, but tension, I guess it is excellent. Really, really good. Let's try it one more time, just to show you here. And we'll use the fresh side, how about that? So, and this, you know, if you ever use CA glue, it's kind of a pain because you have to hold the two pieces together for quite a long time for it to finally set up. This stuff makes it almost instant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Pretty strong. Now, you know, pushing it this way and shear, I think that's a tall order. But I wish I had something of substantial weight here. Let me just put some downward pressure on. So I'm going to hold this. And I'll start pushing down here, and I'm just going to estimate in my head. So let's say about 5 pounds. Gosh, 10 pounds maybe. It's a lot. Let me pause the video and see if I can find something pretty heavy. All right, so I got what is that? Half, maybe 2/3 of a gallon of car wash. It's, you know, water basically. So I don't know, what is that? 10 pounds? A little less than 10 pounds? No problem. Let's go get some more weight. All right, so we switched to something a little more scientific. So this is a 10-pound dumbbell. I got it vertically, precariously perched here, which hopefully doesn't smash everything on my workbench here, but let's try 10 pounds very close to the weight, or to the point. Just gonna balance the weight here. Yep, no problem. All right, let's go 25 pounds. It's going to be a test of my grip strength here. I might have to use 2 hands. Yep, no problem. All right, 25. Let's go 35. I don't know if my grip strength is strong enough. Oh, all right, there's the limit. We pulled it off. Pretty good. I mean, that's almost my full ability of my fingers, 2 fingers grip strength on this to lift, which doesn't seem like a lot. And go ahead and make fun of me in the comments if you want, but good stuff, pretty strong. Like I said, for a quick fixture or something like that, that's a pretty awesome solution to having to bond two pieces in a pinch. Again, cyanacrylic glue. Most people have used this. There's brands, old brands that have been around forever called Crazy Glue, and every other adhesive company makes something like this. The innovation here is this activator. It's a game changer. Highly recommend it. And Adhesive Gurus, this brand, 2 thumbs up. Love it. So give me a thumbs up if you like these kind of quick tests. Hit that subscribe button. It helps me out. Trying to get over that 1,000 subscriber limit to let the old YouTube Google Corporation give me some YouTube partner earnings. So help me out there. Give me a thumbs up. Put a comment down in the description. Tell me how weak my grips are. And yeah, check this out. There's a link in the description for this one if you want to try it out. Adhesive Gurus, very fair price. I would say lower than the competition, and works really well. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.